Today's What's Inside is in our design studio and engineering department. The workshop in here was sponsored by the Blakely family. We're entering the design studio where a designer can lay out what exhibits will look like on paper, construct dioramas, consult with the engineer. Some of our larger exhibits can take several months of measuring and adjusting to ensure that it's ready for the public. Our small temporary exhibits are less complicated and can be ready in days, but on average, a temporary exhibit may be available for viewing for only 3 to 4 months. Once it's ready, the next one is already being planned. We're now entering the paint room. You'll notice we have several cans of paint in a wide variety of colors. Some of our stored paints are used to refresh exhibits that have high-touch surfaces or heavy foot traffic. We even have a paint booth to ensure the finish and color is just right for anything that goes in our exhibits. We're going to move into the engineer's shop. The engineer's shop is an industrial area and safety is used at all times. Ear and eye protection, masks, as well as gloves and aprons are always used. We have a wide variety of floor-mounted equipment, such as the main feature, our table saw. We also have a jigsaw and a drill press. In addition to the tools we have in here, we keep a ready supply of metal, wood, nuts, and bolts, almost as well stocked as your local hardware store, to repair, refinish, or create what we're looking for in exhibits. We can repair or refinish things from our collection storage, the schoolhouse, the log cabin, the Schlegelmilk house on Farwell, any of the properties that we manage. Additionally, our engineer is responsible for maintaining the heating, the cooling, and the humidification of the space, which we know from our previous videos is very important to the museum. It's a big job to keep everything running, that's for sure. We're walking up into the mezzanine above the engineer's shop. It's like a massive storage area for both the design and engineering departments. Virtually nothing is thrown away from previous exhibits. We keep it up here to be used, recycled, reused for different future exhibits and events. Sheets, boxes of acrylic, mannequins, display pedestals, cases, old signs and pictures, they all will have a new purpose next week, next month, next year. Thanks for visiting the Design and Engineering Departments of Chippewa Valley Museum.